The number one leading hazard that cause workplace accidents, fatal incidents, deaths, that is, working at height and falling from height. Here the question is how to avoid and prevent falls from height. Fall protection systems can be classified into two main categories: passive and active. Passive fall protection system don't require any further action from workers once it is installed. Examples are guardrail system and the safety nuts. On the other hand, active fall protection systems require active participation from the workers. Employees must choose to use them and know how to use them properly and safely. A common example of active fall protection system is fall arrest or fall restraint system. Dear friends and fellows, as we are aware of the classified active and passive fall protection systems, do you know how many groups of fall protection systems are? What are the major four categories of fall protection system based on which how we can protect employees against falls and falling injuries? These four groups include: number 1, fall elimination; number 2, fall prevention; number 3, fall arrest; and number 4, fall restraint. Let us discuss now one by one, and we'll start with what is fall elimination. Under fall elimination, employers should look for ways to eliminate the risk of falling. This involves avoiding workers at elevated heights and preventing employees from working in areas with fall hazards. For example, equipment can be moved to a lower location to make it easier for employees to perform maintenance and repair work without using a ladder or lift. However, this solution is not always practical or possible depending on the work being performed, nature of the activity, and the urgency of the task. But this is the best option, that is fall elimination. Number 2, fall prevention. If working in elevated location is unavoidable, you don't have any choice. You have to work. By all respects, the best way to protect workers from fall injuries is to prevent them from falling in the first place. Both systems, either passive or active. Passive means guardrails and toe board, and active means safety harness system, can be used for this purpose. In addition to installing this equipment in and around elevated locations and over open holes and dangerous machinery, as a basic and fundamental safety concern, being an employer, you have to minimize the amount known dangers in the workplace, keep work areas clean, clear, and dry, train employees on how to identify fall hazards and how to use fall protection equipment or fall protection system safely, effectively, efficiently, and timely. Number 3, fall arrest. Fall arrest systems are a form of active fall protection. They are designed to stop an employee from hitting a lower surface after they have fallen. They typically consist of a harness, a safety lanyard, or self retracting lifeline, and a single or multiple anchorage points. Number 4, fall restraint. Fall restraint system are another form of active fall protection. This system has the same components like fall arrest system, but they have a different function. Rather than stopping a fall after it has occurred, they stop a fall from occurring in the first place or in the first stage. They typically accomplish this by having a shorter lanyard or a lifeline that prevents the employee from getting close to the edges or gaps within the elevated location. In this way, there is a minimal chance of falling because it restricts the fall instantly. As a safety practitioner, as a site in charge, if there is a work at height activity in your project, at your work site, you need to understand what exactly is your requirement: fall restraint, fall arrest, fall prevention, or fall elimination. But as I told you, fall elimination is not the most practicable option in all cases because we have to carry out the site activities. We cannot cease or stop the project activities totally. After the awareness of the top four groups or categories of fall protection, let us understand now in the construction industry there are four types of active fall protection systems, which is most probably used by all the contractors, subcontractors, self employed worldwide. What are these four systems? What are these four types? Number one, fall arrest system. Number two, positioning system. Number three, retrieval systems. And number four, suspension systems. I'll discuss shortly the four contents. We'll start with the first item, that is fall arrest system. Fall arrest systems are used when there is a risk of workers falling 6 feet or more from a working or walking surface. Certain exceptions apply, such as when workers are climbing ladders, scaffolding, or steelwork. Number two, positioning system. These systems are commonly used in conjunction with fall arrest systems by workers on ladders. While they don't prevent falls from occurring by themselves, they enable employees to perform work with both of their hands. Number three, retrieval systems. Retrieval systems are used to retrieve a worker after they have fallen. It is clearly understood by the name itself, retrieval system. And the last and number four, suspension system. Suspension systems are used to lower and support workers to otherwise unreachable elevated areas. When used with fall arrest systems, they allow workers to complete the necessary work with both hands safely. Maybe fall arrest system, positioning system, retrieval system, and suspension system is not well clear to you. But if you like a complete video on this topic, write down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Hope to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care, good luck, and goodbye.